In this video, I will show you how to add a USD receiving bank in Payoneer. First of all, go ahead and open any browser on your system and log into your Payoneer account. After that, click on the Get Paid option on the left side of your screen. On this page, you will find the Receiving Accounts option. Click on that. If you already have any pending or approved receiving accounts, you will see them listed here. Otherwise, click on Request Accounts and then click on Next. If you are applying for a receiving account for the first time, you'll see an option for a USD receiving account. Since I already have applied for that account, I will select a UK receiving account as an example. The process for doing this will be the same for both the United States and the United Kingdom, so feel free to follow along as we go. Once you have selected your USD account, scroll down and click on Next, then click on Submit Request. If you haven't already completed visual identity verification for your account, you will be asked to do so first. After that, you will need to fill out the Receiving Account questionnaire, which is the most important step to getting your USD receiving account. Answer the questions carefully. To start, click on Receiving Account Questionnaire. First, select the reason for which you are using your Payoneer account. Then, scroll down and select the category that best describes your business. Next, choose the option that explains your role within that business. After that, provide some details about your business in a few sentences, explaining how it operates. If you have a business website, go ahead and paste its URL. If you run an online store, paste the link to your store. If you're a freelancer, paste the link to your freelance profile. Then scroll down and select your connection to the website or web page from the available options. In the last step, select your average monthly payment volume. Once you have completed these steps, click on Submit. Your information will then be sent to Payoneer for verification. If Payoneer requires any further documents, they will notify you via email. Otherwise, once your information is verified, you will receive the details of your USD bank account. With this account, you can receive payments in USD from business accounts all over the United States.